Hey guys, it's been a while I did one of these, right? So I'm tired, I just came back from work, but guess what? I've got two packages. So one is a pair of trousers from Lorenzo Zavati, and the other one is a pair of Converses, and I got them from Shoe. So I'm going to do the unboxing for the shoes because it's much easier to do right now. I can't be bothered to do the trousers, but I'll show them to you, the trousers, if I can. But honestly, I'm just here for the shoes. I can't lie. I haven't bought shoes since like the Puma releases that I did, fellow faces that I did. I think that was in March or early April. So I'm excited, guys. So these are the trousers. See, they're really nice, and I hope they fit me. Yeah. And now the shoes. I don't know if it's from the delivery because they used every rather. Because the shoebox was kind of damaged, or it was already damaged when they shipped it out. So, but anyway, ta-da! It's what I'm supposed to wear to see Burna Boy this weekend. I'm going the green theme. I had my eye on these shoes like I think since last year or early this year. I just didn't come around to buying them because I wasn't sure if I really liked them or not, but after a while I get shoe fever, so I want to get new shoes now. This is what I got right now. They look clean, innit? So here they are. They look cool, don't they? I'm not really sure about this part, to be honest, but I guess it's kind of appeal. I don't really like mids or high tops. I'm usually like a lows guy, but I already have the Ronsta Hike. I have the one in mids and lows. I like the Ronsta Hike, the low one a lot, the black color. This one I just got it because it goes in my outfit for Burna Boy, all green. So let me just try something out, you know what I mean? So far it looks good to look at. It's a nice colorway, looks like good quality. So yeah, I don't really have any complaints. I'm gonna try them on and see if they fit properly or not. Cause I wear size 12. Actually, I wear UK 13 now, but this is size 12.5. But when I got the Ronsta Hikes, they were 12 and they fit me properly. So hopefully the same thing. And this one should be a little bit bigger, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So this is what they look like on my feet. They're not tight, quite cool. I don't like the way they look. My feet look like a bit fat, so the way it protrudes out like this, I don't really like that on shoes. That's why I don't really like Dunks either. I'm gonna be wearing shorts that if it's hot. If it's not hot, then I'm gonna wear trousers. But I mean, I've got them, I'll manage. But they will not be my favorite shoes, you know. But if I wear like trousers and I cover up, then I wouldn't really mind. But yeah, comfortable, stylish, and I'm gonna be wearing them for like hours and hours because concert, jumping around, walking. So hopefully they're actually gonna stay comfortable, because sometimes you wear shoes and they're comfortable at first, but after a while. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.